Three men has been arrested and one woman has been surrendered to the police department of Meghalaya. So the police department of Meghalaya has done a great job as they have found the culprit who has been doing this case behind everything, who has put the name of Meghalaya down and shameful to the people of Meghalaya as a whole. So I request the government of Meghalaya, police department, strong action should be taken to those people who have been involved in this case to kill Raghuwanshi. This case has been reported by the Chief Minister Conrad Kesama, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, on the morning of 9 June 2025. So Raghuwanshi needs to get justice who has done these things to him. I wish the police department of Meghalaya very best. I hope the truth will reveal soon who has done these bad things which is unacceptable to the society.